Hello everyone, back tuning in for this evening's video. So we're well into festival season now. We've got Glastonbury coming up at the end of the month, of course, and the updates of that will be starting very shortly at Glastonbury. This is an update for the Download and Isle of Wight festivals, which will be taking place next weekend from the 9th through to the 12th of June. So I'll run through the charts in a second. It's from a GFS model. It's a little way off this, so it's not to be relied upon, just really a heads up of what this particular model is predicting for that weekend of the Download and Isle of Wight festivals. Before I go on with that, though, just very quickly say about the ads. There's links to articles on all the pages. If you can have a browse widgets and click through the links, there's articles out there that you're interested in. You'll be helping to pay for GalsWeathers.com. So, the first day of the Isle of Wight Festival is on Thursday, the 9th of June. And this looks pretty good, really. We've got high pressure through the country and to the east. The winds are up from the south. Very warm southerly wind being drawn up from France there. The upper air temperatures look really hot across France. Well, not that hot for us, but we're pretty warm, really, with the air moving up from the south. A lot of dry weather as well. There'll be some decent sunny spells, especially across England and Wales. Temperatures are signalled to be around 23, 24 degrees down across the south coast. Of course, it's a little bit cooler in the channel, but I think it'll be into the low 20s Celsius there, most definitely. Very warm, sunny, pleasant day. So day 2 of the Isle of Wight Festival and day 1 of Download at Donington in Leicestershire gets underway on Friday the 10th of June. And what's happening here is that we're still drawing up that very warm southerly flow, but we're bringing a trough in off the Atlantic Ocean, and that trough is moving into that very warm air, possibly generating thunderstorms. So the upper air temperatures show a plume, a Spanish plume pushing up from France, hot air being drawn out of the continent. But these charts are showing you convective potential. Where you've got the brightest colours, you've got the greatest convective potential. And convective potential is really where you've got the risk of lightning and thunder. So with all of this precipitation moving across the country on Friday the 10th of June, some of it heavy, there would be the risk of rain and thunderstorms coming in from the west, both for Donington and also for the Isle of Wight Festival. Temperatures are into the low to mid 20 Celsius, so it's very warm and humid, but really thundery weather there, potentially on Friday 10th of June. Then we go into Saturday the 11th, and we've got a trough of low pressure over the country then, within slightly cooler, fresher air, but still pretty warm, really, with the upper air temperatures. And there's showers across the country. That first thundery push has gone off in towards Germany and the Low Countries, but we're left with these showers through the country, some of them quite heavy. Temperatures a little bit lower, but still pretty warm. And then finally, the final day of both Download and the Isle of Wight Festival looking like this. It's a cooler, fresher field, really, with a slight ridge building through the country from the west. Upper air temperature still quite warm, but not as hot as earlier in the period. Lots of dry weather there as well, and temperatures are a bit cooler into the upper teens to low 20s Celsius. So the real action here is on Friday. We get this plume pushing up from the south. Then Friday it all goes bang, with a risk of violent thunderstorms and heavy rain. And then after that, it's just sort of showery and cooler and fresher. But both of these events could be impacted by the weather. So if you're off to them, particularly if you're camping, you will need to keep checking the forecast to see how this is playing out. Right, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.